My name is Fadzai Traquino. I'm coming from Zimbabwe, which is in Southern Africa. I am currently the Director of Women and Law in Southern Africa, also coordinating WLSA, which is a regional network represented in 7 countries in the SADC region. That is Zambia, Mozambique, Malawi, Eswatini, Lesotho, and Zimbabwe. We work in the area of the social legal fraternity, where we want to make the law and legal frameworks work for women. It's the core essence of our work. We're working on a number of programmatic areas, access to justice for women and girls being the biggest of our programs and support that we give, especially in relation to gender-based violence and child rights related issues. We are also responding to sexual reproductive health rights, natural resource governance, climate change, women's land rights, and women's political participation. So in my work, I try to facilitate that the policy and legal environment in our region, in our countries, particularly our constitutions, which have so much developed and evolved to remove clawback clauses and discrimination against women. This should actually be seen in the manifestation of the lived realities of women in our country and in our region. But currently, we still feel that the normative framework is there, but we don't see the lived realities of women's lives improving in terms of the gender outcomes. This is a very exciting opportunity for me representing Southern Africa region, and I seek to mobilize new and emerging organizations, particularly the young women's movements in their various formations, to be part of the network. There are a number of emerging issues that I'm excited about in our current context because of the industrialization agenda that SADC has taken on. We see the large footprint of cooperatives or large corporations in the extractive industry taking on land, even in the energy projects, in farming projects from communal areas, and really disproportionate impact of those land grabs affecting women. We also see the large corporations also participating actively in a lot of the industries, but we are not seeing the gains manifesting to women. So the issue of illicit financial flows is really one area that I am really passionate about, especially because of the extractivism in our region at the moment. Climate change has also eroded the livelihoods of women, but there is not much effort that is being done, or we see very limited voices of women in the region participating on the forefront of development of normative frameworks that impact the lived realities of women around climate change. We also see a lot of industrialization agenda towards energy. Energy is a key issue, and we find energy poverty is one that continues to affect women in our region. As a result, we still see a lot of women cutting down trees and using alternative methods of energy that are not climate friendly. So these are issues that we also need to look at as a network, and also learn from other regions that are progressing around. So those are really issues around economic justice, climate change, natural resources that I'm passionate about.